So we say this, you connect to the Wi-Fi.
Loudly.
You connect to the Wi-Fi. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, then you come to change adapter options. You click that one, you change the adapter options. It will bring you here, and then you right click to the Wi-Fi that you are being connected on. After that, come here to properties. You click the properties. After clicking the properties, now here is where you do. You come to this tab that is written sharing. That tab. You click that tab for sharing. When you click on networks, you click the network that you are being connected on. After that, you press OK. When you press OK, you are already connected there. So now you come to the MacBook.
I switch now to the MacBook.
Yeah,
okay.
you switch now to the MacBook. The other way.
Sorry. Sure.
So to the MacBook, you will come. The MacBook, you will come here. You open the Finder. You open the Finder.
The left side?
Yeah, this one. You open the Finder. After opening the Finder, make the screen complete. You make the screen complete.
Okay.
After that, you come here at the edge of the header.
Okay.
The edge of the headers. There's a place written Go or Go.
Go. Okay.
You click there, then scroll down to connect to server.
Okay.
You connect to the server. After that, now you browse the server. You will browse. After browsing, it will now show you the connected networks available on your PC or the machines that are connecting to your network.
Okay.
So the one that we are using the one that is written Andreas Asa.
Yes.
You click that one, it will now bring you to this one. When it will bring you here, you open this one, you wait it to connect, because now we wait the connection. You can see now. So we put the password.
This is the one, password is...
Yeah, your password now, the MacBook password, that one. After that, when you put the password, you click connect. It will now connect. You can see now it has connected.
Okay.
You come here to users. You open the users. And when you click users, it will bring you here to Andreas. You double click that one, it will bring you to this or other details. It will give you other details. So what we do, we minimize the screen. We minimize the screen. And when we minimize the screen and we have opened this one, now we have opened the tab on Andreas. We can now come and copy. We were on Dropbox, and we have not finished on the Dropbox. So what you do, you click once on Dropbox, and you come here to the Dropbox path tab. You click again on Dropbox tab. You click again. It will bring you here. So you left click once, and do not let go of your mouse pad.
Okay.
Then you drag and drop on your screen here on the right hand side.
Okay.
Then you let go. It will now begin counting for you how many hours remaining, and start copying your files.
Okay, that's it.
That is.